guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to see how to place the rebar in the column. So let us open the structural template. So simply click on new, go to browse and open the US metric. Select the system analysis default structural analysis default metric template. Click on OK. Okay, so this is your working space. So what you will do, go to this structure, take the column, okay, and you can select the any one column from here. The same concrete column, so I am selecting 600 by 750 simply. Click anywhere, go to the level 1, and then from this foundation you have to select the isolated, and then you place it here in this column. And now we will check this in 3D. So this looks like this. You can make it from here, you can change this from here, should be fine, or you can make it in medium, or you can make it in green. So I am going to change it to fine. Okay, now we are going to place the rebar. So go to this level 1. Now from the reinforcement you have to select the rebar, click on OK, then you can select the rebar shape from this browser. So I am selecting this one, go to this placement and select the current walk plane, and then from here parallel to the walk plane. Parallel to the cover, okay. Simply place like this. Okay. Then you have to select another shape. This is the reinforcement. Then you have to select this one, this rebar shape, and you should place on walk plane. First placement, then near cover reference. Go to this rebar shape, then select here from the maximum spacing. From the placement you have to select this parallel to the walk plane and simply select like this. Now go to this rebar shape and select the maximum spacing, okay, like this. Now you should check in 3D view. Simply open this 3D view and you can see this is placed already here. Now its visible is very light, so what you will do, simply select this one, go to this visibility graphics, select these 4 options, simply check these 4 options, simply click on OK. You can see it has been changed. Now again go to level 1, and now this time go to this view tab and select this section and simply cut the section for this column. Okay, now you have to select this one, go to the view, and from here you can change it to fine. Now again go to this structure template, select the rebar and this time you can select this rebar shape, okay, and now go to this placement and simply select on current walk plane. You can place like this. You can simply click this one, select this one, and go to this here, modify, select the maximum spacing, then you can change the size from here. It should be 19 mm. Okay, now again you have to go to this 3D view, and you can see like this. Now select this again, this rebar, and go to this visibility graphics, and you can check these four options: view on obscured and view as a solid. Click on OK. Okay, then again you have to go to this level 1. You should create one more section in this direction. So go to view, select this section, and go again select this and go to view. Open this section. This time again you have to go to this structure, then select the rebar from reinforcement. Okay, again select this one, and placement is current walk plane. Now you should place it here. Okay. Click on modify, then select this one and go to this modify panel, select this maximum spacing. Okay, and then you can change this size of this rebar. Should be 19 mm. Now again check in 3D view. Simply open this 3D view. You can see like this. It is visible like this. Okay. Now what you will do, simply select this one, rebar. Go to this visibility graphics, and you can check this 4 option. Just to view in this thicker rebar, thicker shape. So I think you guys learn how to place this rebar in the concrete column in the Revit architectural. So I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, because the most of the people is only viewing my videos and directly, and they are not subscribing. So please do request you to please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I uploading any videos, then you can get the notification of that video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.